Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to get the fighter jet off the military base. Okay, so military base is over here, and you need to be right here on this sandy spot. And what you're going to do is you can go back as far as you want. I just chose right here because it's faster. And there's a little jump, like right here. And you have to get it over here, and then you can go in. And I will be showing you that today. Now you can use Franklin's special ability, but I choose not to, and to do it at the same time. The only reason why I'm using it is because I'm a cheap ass. God dang it! Okay guys, let's try that one more time. There we go. That's how you do it. So you go in here, and you're not really caught yet, as you can see by the little thing on my screen, and now you're caught. But if you're Franklin and you're using Franklin, this is the best way to get out of this. Go over here, then you use your special ability. As you can see, there's a tank right there. But then they can't see you. So, well, they can still for me, but let's hope we can get in here and not die. Okay, so that's just cheap. So let's go up.